Hi everyone, in today's lecture we'll learn about Telnet and SSH. So both of these are used to remotely access other device over the network. Now, if we talk about Telnet, so it's an older protocol where we access computers remotely, but it's not encrypted. It it doesn't authenticate. It uses plain text if we infiltrate the data. Now on the other hand, if you talk about the SSH, the secure shell, it works on authentication and it works on encryption via using public private key pair. So now let's understand how it works. So if we talk about telnet, let's suppose we have a client and a server. Now client sends a request to a server for access. Now the server will give the access, and now client via login credentials can access via giving some commands can access the server, all the PCs, and as an output it will generate some output and will get it by a plain text. So now if you see in this process, it's happening unencrypted. This is happening in the plain text. If you infiltrate the data, you can see the login credentials, you can see the commands, you can also see the outputs. So you're basically exposing the network. It is more of like we are communicating in a room which is glass doored and where the lights are on. At the other hand, when you see SSH, it is basically encrypted via authentication, via when it's happening, where when SSH is happening, it creates an encrypted environment where it checks the private key pair and then it opens the encrypted channel where the transfer is happening, and the data that we are using is also encrypted. Means when you see through the data, you will only see some scrambled words, no nothing. But if you infiltrate the data in the telnet, you will see the plain text, which is the exact same. Now, this thing of the SSH makes it more secure, right? So this was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.